Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for more Bollywood updates.
What does a jab look like?
It's just
Yeah.
left straight.
Left straight.
What does a cross look like? सबसे पहले तो it has become honestly one of the most anticipated movies of this year. The trailer looks very very exciting. इसके comments तो हमने देखे ही. इसके reactions जो आपको आपके close friends वगैरह से मिल रहे हैं और rather people from the industry, you know, who are related to boxing, have they said anything to you about this movie so far?
My friends sent me like long voice notes and they said तोडफोड करून टाकलीस म्हणाल एकदम म्हणजे एक नंबर तोडून टाक सगळ्यांना. So all these, you know, yeah.
फरहान, I'd like to come to you कि अभी आपने ये भाग मिल्खा भाग, you know, जो मूवी की थी उसमें भी आपको intense training की जरूरत थी, right? Physically challenging जब ऐसे roles होते हैं, do you think, would you say that these excite you more as an actor?
It's one thing going to set and being able to do things that you're comfortable doing, you know. But when something comes along that takes you out of that comfort zone, you know, that's when you really wonder, can I do it or will I not be able to? And the excitement of that, the anxiety of that, the nervousness of it, the excitement of it. It can create an X factor to your performance, and to really go into places, whether it's with music or with sport, you know, into areas that normally I don't know if I would venture into if it wasn't for these films. So I feel very thankful.
बहुत सारे I'm sure ऐसे seasoned actors के साथ they might be pulling your leg, or do they try to like play pranks on you? Has Farhan tried to do something like that on the sets of Tufan with you? Can you share some anecdotes?
Obviously he did play. There was a shot where we were painting and there was a paint. I don't know if they have used that shot. And Supriya ma'am and Farhan, they ganged up together and they wanted to empty that entire paint ka dabba on me. But I got lucky and somehow I got saved. But I think this is what makes the journey it's fun. And you know, also there were scenes which were literally little intense and exhausting. So I think thank you Farhan, and I must thank
Thank you.
you know, Rakesh sir as well, to just make me feel comfortable. It just felt like second home.
Would you say that releasing movies on OTT has more pros in the present day and age, or even going ahead?
What you really want is people to see your work. You know, I mean, in a theater, it translates into box office success. But what does that mean? Eventually, it means that many people saw your film and that many people saw your work. And as an artist, that's what you're really hungry for. As many people as you could imagine should watch what you've made. And this wonderful device that's going to bring it to your home, where you can on day and date watch it no matter where you are, is an amazing thing. So these are wonderful opportunities.
You guys will need to get a little physical for this. We're going to be naming a few punches and आपको दिखाने कि वो punch दिखता कैसा है. What does a jab look like?
This?
It's just
Yeah.
left straight.
Left straight, okay.
Yeah.
What does a cross look like? ये मुझे पता नहीं सही है. Comments में please हमें correct
That is a cross. Yeah, the cross is the second.
The other
is the
side.
right hand.
What does the uppercut look like?
There, she's got it.
It's not like this.
This
That's the,
What does a hook look like?
hook is this way. This side.
yeah, absolutely right.
What does a bolo punch look like?
It's actually
No,
like
I
a
said-
punch that kind of comes curved around over the top of somebody's defense.
And the last one is a check hook.
What is a check hook?
Sorry, no.
This was the uppercut, no?
Nahi.
No, so I'm imagining
Check
a
hook.
check hook would probably be like a slightly more short arm, where you don't follow through all the way, and maybe you can just like kind of pull your hand back quickly and maybe follow it up with another punch, I guess. Do you know what a sarpanch looks like?
Sir, punch.
Rapid fire questions. Quickly, you have to tell us whatever comes to the top of your head. From Farhan, this one's for you. From Dil Chahta Hai to Tufan, what do you think has changed in Bollywood?
What has changed in Bollywood? I would say the consumption has changed.
Correct.
Farhan Akhtar as an actor or Farhan Akhtar as a director?
That's really for the audience to decide. Yeah.
The most Tufani thing that you have ever done?
This film and maybe skydiving, I guess.
Ajju Bhai or Aziz Ali, the boxer? Which one was more difficult to play?
Aziz Ali by far, not for reasons of boxing, but because Aziz Ali was a character that got me to have to get in touch with like the tender side of being a man.
Okay, what's your biggest takeaway from Tufan?
Absolute love that I've now found for this sport and kind of adopted into my my personal life.
You're still continuing this sport.
Oh, absolutely.
Would you rather give up watching Hindi movies for the rest of your life?
That my answer is no to start. I don't need the second part of your question. I don't want to give up watching Hindi movies.
Okay. And the last one, the most challenging role that you've ever played according to you.
Definitely would be Bhag Milkha Bhag. Would be the most challenging role for reasons that you were portraying somebody who's as iconic and as massive a personality as Milkha ji is. I won't say was, I'll say is.
Yes. Yeah. I read your Instagram post. Lovely. Mrinal, the same round for you. We've got different questions. Describe in 3 words your transition from TV to Bollywood. 3 words.
Hard work, never give up. Sorry, 3 words. Never give up.
बहुत सारे हो गए, ठीक है, चलेगा. What brings you more joy? The process of making a film or the love you receive after the movie is released?
Obviously, the process.
Number 3, your dream director and co-stars.
I am working with them. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra and Farhan Akhtar.
Do you have something to say on that? Or?
Now, I want you to ask her the same question when she's promoting her next film.
No, trust me. Listen, I wouldn't lie, but Farhan, no, I'm not
Well,
kidding. I will get emotional right now, but trust me, at that point of time when I watched Bhag Milkha Bhag, I didn't know if I wanted to be an actor, but I don't know, something happened within me and I just wanted to meet these guys and just have a one-on-one conversation. I mean, there's a certain kind of mentality and I always was curious to know what happens inside of Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's brain, how he thinks, or be it Farhan, like how is he capable of delivering such fabulous performances and not just as an actor but also as a director. I think all of my favorite films are the films which Rakesh sir has made or Farhan has made or being a part of it.
One thing that you learned from Farhan on the sets of Tufan?
Dedication. You need to be dedicated. What I learned from him also is he said that going out of comfort zone. Now I realize that how do I choose my roles in future when the role is demanding and it takes you out of your comfort zone. So this is one thing that I learned from him.